Yeah, they were stacked in there. Got him. Yep, there's another one. Oh, right at the bank. Ooh, that was insane. That was awesome. Well, guys, we just went through a massive rainstorm, and this is kind of what we're dealing with here. I don't know how good you guys can hear me, but yeah, we've got water flowing in from creeks, flooded creeks, rivers, ponds, lakes. Everything is flooded. So I decided to come out here and see if these how bad it affected the fish and how bad the bite is going to be. We'll see if we can figure out a pattern, see if we can figure something out on how to catch these fish in this dirty, murky water, and let's see how much success we will have. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Hit that like button. It does help me with the algorithm, helps these videos get pushed out to more people, and helps me grow as a content creator. So I really appreciate it. Let's get this video started. Well, we're gonna try this dirty water. Got a couple of baits tied on. We're gonna see how this goes. Not expecting very much, but if I can catch 3 or 4, I'll be happy with that. Today's video is gonna be pretty much based off of just trying to figure these fish out after a major rainstorm that came through for the past couple days, and this water is completely dirty, flooded. These, I don't know if these fish are out of whack or what, but we're definitely gonna find out. So we're gonna give these baits a shot. I've got about 4 rods with me just because I don't want to keep re-rigging. What up, duck? And we're gonna rotate these baits and see if we can get a bite on any of these baits. The reason I'm starting over here is because there is a little creek that's running in from another pond, so there's water flowing through there pretty good. There should be a fish there. Usually there is the times that I've come and it's been like this just because of that current and that water flow. I'm gonna throw the ChatterBait in there, see if that one will do the job. Oh, good cast too. Oh, we just saw a fish wake. He's still over there. Yep. He hit it. I hope it don't spook any other fish that are in there. That's a good one. Let's go, baby. Alright. Check that one out. Not a bad one, huh, guys? Not a bad one. I will take them. Put them over here. And let's see if we can get another one. Yeah, they were stacked in there. Got him. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one, guys. Definitely a better one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a giant. That's a giant. Let's bring him right over here. Let's go. Check that one out, guys. Check him out. Yes. Let's go. Good fish. Alright, let's see if there's any more in there. That would be pretty insane if there was. Yep, there's another one. Holy smokes, they are stacked in there. Stacked in the waterfall. Another one. Another one. It's another. Wow, I can't believe how many fish there is in there. I was expecting 1, maybe 2, but I'm on my 4th fish. and they're still biting. Sorry about that. Oh my God, hard fall there. Look at that. As soon as I switched over to the ChatterBait, immediately, that's what they want. They want the ChatterBait. Well, I ain't gonna be mad at them. Which kind of makes sense because that ChatterBait has a ton of vibration. And with this dirty water from this rainstorm, it doesn't surprise me at all. Oh, he crushed it. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh, that's a good one too. Solid fish. Something about that ChatterBait, guys, that they are just annihilating this thing. And it's not bad fish either. I'm sure there's a really good one in there mixed in somewhere. You just got to get them to eat. Okay, so let's talk and fish. ChatterBait is the only bait that has got me a fish today. Black and blue ChatterBait, muddy water. Makes sense, right? Well, I've thrown multiple different baits, same spots, same situation, everything the same. Only thing they've bitten is the ChatterBait. So that tells me this is where it's going to be at today. Tried same color, different baits, nothing. So with that being said, I think I may have figured them out with this bait. Now let's just stick to the script. Let's see if we can keep catching them. I just saw one wake right there in that shallow water. There he is. Oh, decent one. Came off on me. Got him. Got him. I need to lift my rod tip up. I am fighting them sideways, which I think I've taken two of the times that I fought them sideways. I took the hook out of their mouth. So that is my mistake. Don't do the same thing as me. I need to hold my rod tip up. Oh. Just lost my ChatterBait, guys, and that is the only one I have like that. So let's go retie. What a mess. How does that happen so quickly? Look at this. Things just went from 0 to 100 like in 2 seconds. 1 minute I'm catching fish, the next minute I've got 4 rods tangled up, 1 bait up in a tree. Jeez. Alright guys, we are back in business once we get this backlash that we got out. Alright, tied on another black and blue ChatterBait. Let's see if we can keep this win streak continuing. One right there, guys. Yep, it's cold. Note to self: throw black and blue in dirty water. Oh, look at this, guys. So we have this big pond, which is creating this nice little waterfall. which goes down into a second pond that has water flowing through it. And if you're still watching and you saw the beginning of this video, we crushed them where the water was coming out. So here goes nothing. Yep, look at that, guys. Oh, that's a good one too. Oh, can we get him? Can we get? Oh no, where'd he go? He's somewhere in this creek. He won't be able to get out. Where'd he go? We'll spot him here in a little bit. You guys saw him though. Got him. Spin him back over here. Oh, right at the bank. Ooh, that was insane. That was awesome. I saw the whole thing happen. It came out the murky water and just slurped it up. Let's go. That was awesome. That might end the video for me. I'm gonna keep trying, but the bite definitely slowed down. If I don't catch any more, I appreciate you guys watching, and I believe I can honestly say, if you're fishing murky water, throw black and blue chatterbait or a spinnerbait. I would go black and blue chatterbait though.